Hi, everybody. I'm Samar Hamdy. I'm a co-founder and CBO at DevisionX. I'll talk today about AI enabling in the manufacturing sector through no-code AutoML tools. Our agenda will start with an introduction about AI and machine vision in manufacturing, and then we will talk about some applications in the manufacturing sector, and then we will talk about the challenges that are facing the manufacturing sector when applying AI and machine vision technologies. And we'll give some intro about the enabling artificial intelligence by using the no-code AutoML tools to help the manufacturing experts to build their own AI, machine vision or computer vision application without coding and without experience needed. And also I will give you some examples about these tools, and we'll go through some one of these tools. Then we will end with the Q&A. What is the machine vision system? Machine vision helps the machine to see through an industrial camera that can capture images for the product during its pass on the production line, as you see in this image. And also it consists of a software that analyzing for these images to will understand which is defected, which is not defected, what kind of defect. And this step called processing, and based on this step, the system can take an action like stopping the machine or giving alarm. So the machine vision system can work in 3 steps: image capturing by the industrial camera. Then the second step is processing, and the third one is the action that's based on the processing step. Adding artificial intelligence to the machine vision help machines not only to see, but also to learn. And we can call these systems by self-learning systems. The capabilities of these systems can save tons of hours that required for the quality control and also for the development and deployment. Add to that it helps to get benefit from a large amount of unused data and turn it into helpful insights to support the business goals and make the business profitable. I will go through some of the applications for AI vision in manufacturing sector. I will start with the first application, which is the quality inspection or defect detection. As you see, this is example from the food and beverage sector. This is a camera that can make inspect for the pizza. This is a good one that include all the numbers of pepperoni slices, not include any of unwanted defects or unwanted things like the mushroom. And this is a bad or a defected sample because there is a missing one of the pepperoni. There are also another defected samples that include mushroom parts. So overall, it can be used in many phases during the manufacturing process, in packaging, in making a check for the size, making gouging, and so on. Another sector for the quality inspection in the automotive industry, making an inspection for the welding defects like you see in this image, or making gouging, or making inspection for the defects of coating, or making inspection for the VIN code as an example. In another industry like semiconductor, also the quality inspection is very important on it. For example, making an inspection for the PCB quality, the soldering, the wafer, making counting, make sure that each component is in its right place, and so on. The other application for the, the other 2 applications for applying artificial intelligence and machine vision in manufacturing sector is VGR. VGR is vision guided robots. This is a robot that there is a camera that fixed on it. So it can guide it to do some tasks or to move from place to another, like making welding for parts. So it needs the vision technology to do that. And another types of robots called collaborative robots. These are the robots that are working together with the human in environments. Like in automotive industry, the collaborative robots are lifting the very heavy parts, as an example. So adding artificial intelligence to machine vision with to machine vision in the collaborative robots enable the robots to work alongside with the humans in a safe environment. What does manufacturing need or expect? In General Motors, for example, there is more than 2,000 smart cameras that making more than 2 million inspection per day, and that leads to more than 1 million datasets uploaded daily. This is a very large amount of datasets that leads a need to automated process for image analysis. This is one of the challenges that are facing the applying artificial intelligence and machine vision together when dealing with a large amount of datasets. Another case, for example, Google Cloud and Renault Group, they were making a partnership together. Renault want to apply artificial intelligence in their operational and daily process. And also they are using Google Cloud to share their data with the other brands and so on. The result of applying artificial intelligence divided the cost by 10. This is one of the great benefits of applying artificial intelligence in your process is reduces the cost. Add to that if we are talking about the quality, it decreases the quality check cost, and also it make it high speed in the implementation. Another thing that the digital officer of Industry 4.0 of Renault, they have a point of view of sustainability. This is a required thing for the manufacturing sector today. Sustainability, it can be achieved by making a training for all engineers and technicians to use simple tools for dealing with the data, and also building solution both based on that without experience needed, without technical experience needed, technical experience in data science or the technical experience in artificial intelligence and so on. So what does the manufacturing need or expect is they are in need to assemble solutions or simple tool to use without experience, and to be more easy and simple, like using the apps on the smartphone, and also automated process to be adapted with the millions of the data sets that can be that can be uploaded daily. And add to that, they are in need to accelerate the process of digital transformation, not only for machines, but also for the people, and they are in need to sustainability. All of these challenges can be solved by the NoCode AutoML tools. What is NoCode? NoCode means that enabling the non-technical people or to use tools or to use advanced technology without coding through an easy tools. So what we are trying to do by the NoCode tools, we are trying to enable the people who are close to the problem, to the problems, like the quality engineer, the system engineer, the production engineer. All of these people are experts in their field. They are experts in the manufacturing sector, in the quality, in what kind of these problems and so on. So they are the best to solve these problems if they are enabled through an easy and simple tools without coding and without experience needed in AI as an example, or in the development. That's why NoCode AutoML is a great opportunity for the manufacturing sector to help improving the skills of the employees toward using these technologies to solve their daily challenges, like the quality inspection solution, the quality inspection process, sorry. And the other term that we called AutoML, auto machine learning, is automating the world process or automating the workflow of developing a machine learning or a trained model. So as you see, this is how it works as an AutoML tool. So you can feed the tool with the data, and then you can extract the prediction or the trained model. I'll go through deeply on how it works. How does the AI enabling tool works? So the images that you get it from the cameras on the production line. You can feed the tool with these images. The tool can make labeling and training for these images. And then after that, you can extract the trained model that's ready to be integrated with, can be integrated with hardware, like deep learning enabled cameras, or it can be also integrated in your software pipeline. You can also use it on the edge, like NVIDIA Jasmine family, and so on. These are 4 tools: AWS, Amazon Lookout for Vision, Tuba, and Cat Vision Software, and IDS NXT. These are 4 tools that enabling the non-AI experts, or let's say the manufacturing experts, to build their own AI vision solution without coding and without experience needed. They are differentiated in some points, like the training. Training can be in the cloud, can be on the edge. Training can be on the cloud, can be in premise, or some of them, they can support both. Also, they can differentiate in the deployment options. So some of them, they are supporting, they are very restricted to specific types of hardware. Some of them, they are open for any types of hardware. Also, some are supporting on the edge, and so on. I will go through Tuba tool. This is our tool. This is a new tool that are produced by DevisionX company, and we'll go through it. Tuba is a no-code AutoML tool that enable manufacturers to build their own AI vision solution without coding and without experience here. As I mentioned, so the quality engineer or the production engineer can use it easily. So some drag and drop some items, so they are able to build their own AI vision solution easily without needing to code or experience in AI or in data science. In just 3 steps: label, train, and integrate. Tuba will make labeling and training for your images, and then you can extract trained models that's ready to be integrated with different types of hardware and software. Tuba support different deployment options offered hardware and software. How it works: you will start with creating an account, and then you will first step, labeling. You will create a label, name it, choose between the features of classification, detection, segmentation, and then upload your images. You can upload it from your computer, your drive, and Tuba support different types of the softwares where you can upload your images. And then after uploading your images, you will label it, and making after labeling, you will have an insights about the number of the labeled samples and unlabeled samples, the percentage of the complete sample or not, and so on. And after that, after completing the labeling, you are able to extract a file of labeling images, or complete to the next step, which is start training. When you start training, you are able to choose between automatic, which means that the system can make it automatically, and choose between different models, and choose the best model according to the accuracy. Or if you have experience and need to customize or make configuration on on the training process. So in this case, you will have different parameters or criteria where you can select and choose between on the training configuration screen. After that, you will start the training. During after completing the training, you will have a dashboard that where you can test your trained model. So you can upload an image, and then the click predict. You will have a report about prediction if it's according to your model. For example, if you want to classify between this one between two types of effect. For example, type 1, type 2. So when you upload your image or your images that you will test with, you can get a report based on the trained data. After that, you can export a trained model that is ready to be integrated with different types of hardware, and also you can integrate it in your software pipeline easily. So Tuba is supporting different deployment options for the hardware and software. It's a no-code tool, which means that the AI, no need for AI experience, and also no need to experience encoded. So the quality engineer or the production engineer can use it easily. Also, it's an automated process by using the auto machine learning, and it's end-to-end solution. As I mentioned, you are able to making labeling only, or making labeling and the training for your images, and you can complete the whole cycle to build your own AI vision solution with just 3 steps: label, train, and integrate. And of course, by enabling your employees and the like the quality engineer or the production engineer to use tools to solve their daily challenges by using tools like Tuba, it will make your business more profitable. Thank you. And this is now it's time of Q&A. It's time of Q&A. I'm waiting for your questions. Thank you.